What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about why I'm waiting to get back into the markets. And I'll get into that in just a second. Before I start, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And I do a giveaway every single week. So if you want to know about that giveaway, stick around to the end of the video and you'll hear all about it. Now, I wanted to talk about you know what? It's getting pretty hot in here. Much better. All right. But I wanted to talk about the markets because the markets have been reacting to this whole like sickness that's going on. And it's the fact that people are just getting scared. There's so much that goes into it, but the market is just people driven. And it just bothers me so much that people react so much. But once I see these things, I know that it's like gold because you know where the companies are valued at their peak. And just because people are overreacting, they're bringing their value down so much. So if Amazon can get down to like, say, 1,200, 1,400, 1,500, then it's definitely a time to get in because you can get up to that peak point of maybe 2,000, 2,100, and you could buy as many shares as you want, maybe 10 shares, and you can gain 500 times 10 shares. So that's going to be absolutely amazing for you in that situation, and that's what I'm really excited about. So all of these people that I see, that are, getting into the market now, I'm just like, why? I mean, I understand you're in it for the long haul, and you're going to see some profits long term, but you could see more profits if you just wait it out a little bit, and that's the way that I feel. Now, I feel like this whole situation. I don't want to say the name. This whole situation is going to be around for quite some time. Our trajectory is pretty much mirroring the same way that Italy is going. So it's like going steep uphill with the amount of cases. So it's looking pretty bad. I just don't want to overreact. I went to the store the other day and there was no milk, no bread, no water, and I'm just doing casual shopping. People are buying up toilet paper like it's like an apocalypse. People are buying up toilet paper like it's an People are buying up toilet paper like it's an apocalypse. Like things are, not going to exist anymore. People are going to close their businesses, and it's just. I understand that people are going to have to take time off, and a lot of people are not going to be able to work, and then you're going to have a slowdown of like businesses, and that case, I understand. I understand that 100%. But you don't need to overreact when it comes to the markets. Just like, I mean, I don't really follow Warren Buffett, but I know that he's in it for the long haul. I'm usually in it for more short term, but then when I see opportunities like this, it's definitely a long term situation for me. So for me, I know that I've told people that I took my money out of the markets about 4 or 5 months ago. And the reason why I did that was for the sake of time. And it's not that I didn't feel like investing or I predicted that there would be a crash. I'm not predicting anything because I'm a short-term investor. I don't care about the long term. I really don't. There are some things that I have that I'm forced to have, like a 401k and Roth IRA. There's things that I know that I need for retirement, just in case the short term doesn't work out for me. Short term is working out for me, but just in case. So I haven't been trading. It's been extremely busy at work. That's usually where I would get all of my trading done. I wake up at 5:30 and I do a little bit of research on stocks, see how things are moving in the pre-market, and then go to work and end up trading at work for an hour or so. A lot of times I'll gain $100 a day. If that's the case, if I can get to trading, then I would be able to gain $100 a day. If I lose anything, it's usually only like $20. So it's been very, very busy at work. I've been doing a ton of things, but I'm not going to get into that situation. This is all about the markets. So what I'm seeing is I'm actually seeing people buy up stocks right now. I believe last week they were buying up stocks, even while it was still in the downturn. I understand we had a few positive days, and that's always a good sign. But I feel like with the break, with the weekend, that things are going to happen. And I understand that I'm recording this on Saturday, so I can't wait to see what happens on, Monday, which I guess was yesterday, because that's what I'm doing here. I recorded my first video, now this is my second, but whatever. So I'm trying to predict when I will put things and where I will put them. But I want to see how the markets react. And people are, I think, making a mistake by investing right now. I understand that you're not making a full mistake because you're going to see profits, but you are making a mistake because I feel like you're losing out on some money. And that's just my opinion. People tend to keep overreacting, and the way the market was reacting for, the last week or so, and I understand we had some positive days, it's not a good deal. And as cases go up, of this situation, the markets tend to go down and they tend to overreact. People tend to overreact. Financial institutions tend to overreact, and it just gets the best of them. I mean, it's pretty much driven by people. Even the financial institutions is driven by a lot of those people that are managing those funds. And I know they may have the black box that they do their investing with. So, like I said, I feel like the sickness is not going to go away anytime soon. It's just going to, increase in cases, and it's just going to be really difficult to handle. And I understand. I'm not afraid of this whole entire situation. The only thing I'm afraid for is, my pregnant wife and my newborn, because obviously Harper. But they said that kids really don't get it as much. They have less likelihood of getting it. But I'm still worried for them. I'm not worried for me. I would like to just get it and get it over with, because I feel like that it's going to be like kind of like a chickenpox situation. You kind of get it. When I was a kid, I mean, you just get it. You didn't have any type of vaccine or anything, but you just get it. And once you get it once, you're done. So that's what I'm hoping for, and that's what we need to kind of shoot for. But the only thing is that, the elderly are affected a lot. So I don't want to talk too much about this. I hope that YouTube doesn't catch on. I hear that they don't really like the word for this sickness, so not going to mention it. But I hope that they don't catch on that I'm talking about this whole situation. But anyways, the markets. So my overall opinion of this whole situation, and I just wanted to give my opinion, is that people are, investing too early. In my case, they're investing too early. But then again, I'm not a long-term investor, so I may be making a mistake as well. But I'll see it on the way up, and I may catch it on the way up, kind of chasing the stock, which is not something I like to do short term. Long term, it's okay because you're gaining your profits throughout 10 years or so. But I feel like it's going to drop down a lot more, and then start to invest in things that I have my eye on. I'm going to make sure that I invest in there and let it sit, and put more money into mutual funds. My 401k is getting hit. Everything is getting hit, really. So I am in it for the long haul when it comes to that stuff, and I am gaining a ton of profits there. So it kind of wiped away everything I gained in the last, I don't know, 2 years or so. But whatever. I mean, that's fine. I mean, it's going to be sitting there for another 10, 20 years, 30 years. How old am I? Almost 30. 30 years, 40 years. It's going to be there for a while, so I don't have to worry about that right now. But I've always been a short-term investor, so that's my opinion on the whole long-term situation. Hopefully you enjoyed my analysis of the markets and how they're moving and how people are reacting. It's a very simple just talk here. I just wanted to talk about the markets and have a simple conversation with you guys. So let me know what you think about the markets. Are people investing too early when it comes to being in it last week, or should they invest the next week? Should they see how things are moving? Or do you think that, I'm right here, and that, you need to wait it out months, like maybe a month or two, and then start investing, or see a price and, sit on that? So if I see Amazon at, 1,400, I'm probably going to put some shares in there. Not everything. I'm going to, buy some shares, but I'm going to still wait. I'm not going to put everything in there. I'm going to wait and then, buy into it when it gets to 1,200 and 1,000 or whatever, however much it drops off. I'm going to keep putting money in there, but as long as I'm gaining some sort of profit from it in the long term, then I'm definitely happy with it. But that's my whole video, guys. Let me know what you think. Shoot me a comment down below. Seriously, I really want to know your thoughts. Also, hit the like button. I can't stress how much that helps me. And I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards every week. So if you want to enter that giveaway, make sure you hit the like button on this video and you hit the subscribe button on both of my YouTube channels, on this channel and on this channel. I'll make sure I put it up in the card, so check that link out to subscribe to it. But if you subscribe to those YouTube channels, you're going to get 1 ticket in the hat. If you want multiple tickets, then you just comment on every video that I post for this week. It's going to be 7 videos and you'll get 7 tickets in the hat. So hopefully you win. Good luck. But that's my video, guys. Thank you again so much for watching. I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.